Hello everyone, if you're trying to install Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to install WebView2 Runtime, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying WebView Runtime error on Hytale easily. So first off, you'll need to uninstall the WebView Runtime from your computer. So just open up a start menu, right here control panel, open it up and then go into uninstall program here. And here you're going to search for WebView2 Runtime. So just search for it here. And if you find it here, for example, this is WebView2 Runtime, you're going to click uninstall and then you're going to uninstall WebView2 Runtime from your computer. After that, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run and then you're going to write here app data. And then you're going to go into local. And here you need to look for the folder called WebView2. So for example, if you have the folder, just delete that folder from here. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. So this link has the WebView2 runtime software that we just need. Click download on here and then select x64 on Evergreen standalone installer. Scroll down, click accept and download, and then it will start downloading and download it up. And once it's done downloading, you're going to install it. Once it's done installing, you're going to close this up and then you're going to restart your computer again. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up the Hytale installer, but make sure that you run it as administrator. So you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, and then you're going to install the game after running the Hytale installer as an administrator, and then it will install correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.